lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. You guys, I know I have not been in front of the camera in such a long time. I honestly can't even think of the last time that I filmed with my face in the camera. It's been so long and life has been so crazy. I feel like the year of 2018 has just been non-stop crazy. From getting back from Florida to like dealing with so many other issues. Life has been so crazy, but I'm still blessed nonetheless. I don't want to sit here and complain. I just wanted to tell you guys that I've kind of been missing for a reason. But yeah, so life has been crazy, but whose life isn't crazy? You know what I mean? So anywho, today we're going to talk about fall decor. Guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited to decorate for fall this year because last year we were in Florida during the whole holiday season. We were in Florida starting in September. Most of September and half of October, we were living in a hotel. So we were in a hotel and obviously I didn't decorate that. And then we moved into an apartment and I did decorate a little bit, but not like I normally would want to. So this year I am so excited to decorate for the fall, and I'm so excited for the trick-or-treaters to come during Halloween and also of course Christmas. You guys know I go crazy for Christmas. I feel like this year I might just go even crazier. I just feel it deep down. I'm about to go crazy this Christmas, so be ready for that. But today we're going to do a fall decor haul. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Lori. I speak about home decor, DIYs, some cleaning videos, mostly home related stuff. So if that's what you're into, make sure you subscribe down below and also hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video, because I get so many messages from people saying that they have not been seeing my videos. And well, I haven't been uploading like I normally do, but when I do upload, you guys should always get notified when I upload. So make sure you hit that bell so you guys can get notified. And also follow me at my Love Texas Home on Instagram. So I'm so excited to show you guys all the goodies I've gotten. So some of this stuff was sent to me from Kirkland, but I also bought some of this stuff on my own because you guys know I've been a Kirkland advocate for the longest time. I've been a Kirkland lover since the beginning of my channel. So when Kirkland reached out to me and said they wanted to send me some stuff, I was just like, of course. And they asked me to be a Kirkland insider, and I was like, seriously? Like, that's like my dream. It's crazy to think that I started this channel to talk about home decor, and now I'm working with like my favorite home decor brands. It's so crazy. So I just wanted to send a special shout out to Kirkland's. Thank you guys so much for sending me this stuff. You guys are amazing, and I cannot wait to show you guys what they have in Kirkland's. So to start this haul, I'm going to enter some vlog footage of the whole store of Kirkland's and how much beautiful stuff they have there for the fall. You guys, when you walk into Kirkland's, I swear it's like heaven. It smells like heaven in there. It smells so good, and they have so many cute things. I'm gonna show you what I picked, but I wanted to show you guys what else they have out there, because my style might not necessarily be your style, but they have something for everybody at Kirkland for fall. So I'm going to roll that vlog footage first, and then we can get started with the haul. I'm going to talk about are these adorable pillows. You guys know I cannot get enough pillows. I love pillows, especially for the holiday season. This pillow is super cute. I love the metallic color of this pumpkin. But yeah, and this is $19.99. And guys, they always have a sale going on at Kirkland's. Make sure you guys sign up for their newsletter because they always send coupons. And also check online because there's always a coupon out there. Whether it's 20% off your purchase or 10% off your purchase, there's always something out there. So make sure you guys either sign up for the newsletter or just go online and see what coupons they have before you go to the store. So the next pillow is gorgeous. I just loved it, guys. Let me just show it to you. So it says thankful, and I love the beige color of this pillow. So it's very neutral, as was the other one, and I love that. I know a lot of people, when they decorate, they try and go for the trendy color or the pattern that's hip for the year. I don't really like doing that. I go straight for my mustard yellows, my burgundies, my burnt oranges. To me, whatever the color of the leaves are is what I think fall is. So that's what my decor stays. So I really love the way a warm toned house feels when you walk in during fall. It just feels more fall to me. And by no means am I hating on those who do that. That's y'all's prerogative. It's just not my style. That's not what you're gonna see here on my channel. I'm just very simplistic like that. So that's what you're gonna see a lot of, is a lot of the fall toned colors, the oranges, the yellows, the burgundies, for sure. So this pillow right here was $17.99. The next thing I got was this really beautiful floral arrangement. This was $12.99, and look how gorgeous that is. So normally, you guys see every year I do a Dollar Tree fall decor haul type stuff. But this year I decided I don't want to keep spending money on stuff that I feel isn't good quality. So the Dollar Tree stuff, it's hard for me to say no to because it's so affordable and so cheap. But I rather buy stuff that's more quality. Like this is $12.99 and it was on sale, I believe, for 20% off or 25% off. But this is such good quality. You can just tell with the florals, the stems, you can bend them. I just love the way this looks. So yeah, so that's what I decided to do this year. Like I do still have some Dollar Tree florals that I probably just used to throw somewhere else. But for my main arrangements, I want to spend some money on some good quality florals, and that's what I did here. And I love the way this looks. It looks so warm and so fall. I cannot wait to decorate. Okay, so this next thing might be my favorite thing that I saw at the store. This I bought with my own money, and when I saw it, I instantly knew I had to have it. It's so antique, and it just looks so freaking cool. So this is what it is. Do you see here? Right here, it's like that antique worn out look. I love it. So this is the back. You just hang it up on the wall. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this outside. I'm not too sure exactly where I'm gonna put it yet, but I just loved it. It's so cute. And this was $19.99, but I feel like it was completely worth it because it's so large, and this is a perfect piece. This is definitely a piece that's gonna be around forever. And I just love the worn look of it, and it's just welcome fall with a pumpkin. I just thought it was so cute. I think it's adorable. Okay, so the next thing I got was this really cute little box art. I love seeing these American artist paintings at Kirkland's, and I love that it says like this says right here, American artist curated for Kirkland's, and it shows like a whole story, and then it has a scripture at the end. I adore that. So this was $9.99, but it was on sale for $7.49. But guys, how cute is this pumpkin? So pretty. And I love this wood frame around. So this is perfect to go on the entry table or any table you have, or just to decorate. You can also hang this up, but I love just putting it in entry tables, and I cannot wait to decorate, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next thing I got was some filler. This was $10.99. So this is what it looks like. It's just some filler with pumpkins, cotton, some pine cones, and yeah. I love using filler to decorate. Obviously, I do that every year. I do a tray, which I will show you guys how I do it this year. I just do a tray with a bunch of different stuff in there. I just love the way it looks, and yeah, I always buy some of this. Okay, and every year I say no more pumpkins. I have enough pumpkins. I have like a whole bin full of pumpkins, but I buy pumpkins every year. Thumbs up this video if you guys agree, because I'm pretty sure I'm not alone. But these are some pumpkins I got. These are so cute. These were sent to me from Kirkland's, and I absolutely love them. I thought they were so cute, so different than anything I would choose, but I ended up liking them a lot. As you can see, they're like super thin pumpkins, but I loved the color of them. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but it's just a really beautiful shine to it. And I'm not too sure on the prices. I believe these were $24.99 for both, but they are so cute. Okay, the next pumpkin I got, it was super cute. This was $14.99, and it's just a very simple pumpkin. White. I really liked this stem, that's why I got it, but I just adored this. I do love a white pumpkin like this. I feel like this is a perfect way to bring in some neutral. I love decorating with the whites and the oranges and the yellows and the burgundies, like I said earlier. So this is the perfect way to offset all those warm colors and bring in some neutral colors. So I loved this. This was $14.99. So the next thing that I got from Kirkland was this. So I loved this doormat. This was $12.99 and it says thankful and blessed, and I thought it was perfect for the fall. Okay, and the last thing I got from Kirkland, this was my favorite thing they sent me. So it is this easel. Family and friends gather here. It is so cute. So this was $34.99. It was a little more pricey. I was so excited for this because this is going to go out on my patio. So I will be filming a fall decor patio tour very soon. That's probably gonna be my next video. So that's all for this Kirkland's fall decor vlog slash haul of all the good stuff there is out there. I hope you guys go check out your Kirkland's. I will also link everything that I bought down below if I find it online, so you guys can check that out as well. So stay tuned for more fall videos. I am so excited. It's finally starting to cool down a little bit here in Texas, probably because of all the rain, but nonetheless it feels really good outside and I am so excited for the fall. I hope you guys are as well. So that's all for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you guys haven't, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video, especially because it's the holiday decor season and you guys know I go all out for the holidays. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys.